We're assembling the Porodo car mount.
Okay, this is the Porodo car mount. First of all, you lose this knob, attach it to this other end, and fix this here with keys. Then you tighten the knob back. Tighten. Take your time to tighten it so it doesn't fall off when driving. Yeah, so it's tight now. This is it. Then this is where the gum is. You need to remove the nylon there. Use the nylon. Here, yes, ready to install like this. So for your car, you select where is best for you as a driver. I prefer to put it on the glass like this. Then, but as a person, you don't select where to fix. So this is where I'll fix mine. Yeah, so like this, you open the latch here like this. Once it's done, then you clamp. You hear click sound, and that's all. This is for the adjustable. How you want it to adjust. Tight for solid grip. Then you lose again. Yeah, so it's ready to use.
How do you attach your phone to it?
Then your phone comes with magnet. I have one already on my phone attached.
How's it metal?
A metal. Then just fix it at the back of your pouch. If you want it gummed, glued to your this thing, it comes with glued ones already. Like this. It comes with spare. Also, you can attach this, remove this latch, attach it back of your phone. But me, I don't want to attach it because I change. So yeah, like this. And so let's reduce it. Yeah, so
It's super convenient.
easy to use. Go to my navigation. Yeah, okay, this is home, and voila. Just easy fix. You can turn to wherever direction, up, down. That's it.